Step 1. Remove the driver's seat headrest. To do this, tilt the seat forward. Step 2. Find the driver's seat backrest cover. Pull the cover over the driver's seat and under the armrest. Align the holes at the top of the cover with the plastic holes and tuck the material into the plastic. Adjust the seat back to normal and find the tucking pouch. Attach the Velcro under the armrest together and push the material under the plastic. Undo the armrest cover's straps and push the corners inside out at the back. Pull the armrest cover over the armrest and attach the straps back together at the back. Reattach the headrest cover. You may need to tilt the seat forward again. Attach the headrest cover. Remove the double seat headrests. Find the double backrest cover and undo the zip on the back panel. Move the seatbelt out of the way and put the cover behind the seatbelt and redo the zip around it. So the seatbelt is now inside the seat cover. Pull the cover over the seat. There is a hole for the seatbelt plastic housing, and pull the seat cover down from both corners. Align the holes with the plastic housing and tuck the material into this plastic housing. Pull the front down and attach the Velcro flap of material to the back. Pull the material behind the seat belt round the corner of that seat. Align the cover to match the seat behind the fold-down tray. Push the toggle behind the metal bar and around the vertical metal. On the inside, push this elastic thread through the plastic here, down and onto the same vertical metal bar. Tuck the cover behind the plastic. This can be very fiddly and is very tight. At the bottom, find the other elastic loops and push them down behind the plastic, all the way down behind the seat, around the bar, and use this other elastic loop to loop through it, then attaching it to the metal near the seatbelt buckle. Attach the fold-down tray cover by pulling the seat tray down and putting the cover over the tray. Pull the strap through the hole supplied. Pull the cover down and round from the top to bottom. Attach the Velcro straps together at the back. And the flap to the bottom of the tray. Attach the headrest covers. You can do this before or after you reattach the headrests to the seat.